Hello again and welcome back. We are going to talk about the fifth tip that I have to share with you about the top 5 things to do to be successful in our math class. Tip number 5, stay connected. So within our math class, I want to make sure that you realize how important it is to reach out to your classmates, reach out to me as your instructor, reach out to your embedded tutor for support. We're all here to help each other. The more connected you are to other people on campus, the more successful you're going to be in your classes. Think about these 2 scenarios really quick. Let's say you're in a class where you never said hello to anybody, you never talked to anybody, you never had any interaction with anybody else in the class. Imagine how easy it would be in the morning to just turn that alarm off and go back to sleep and say, oh, I'm not going to class. It's not like I talk to anybody when I'm there. Versus you come to class, you say hello to the people in your group. You ask them how their night was the night before. They ask you, oh, I know that yesterday you had a date at the movies. How did it go? Whatever it is that you guys chit chat a little bit about before class, you want to make those connections because then you're more comfortable working together on mathematics and you can become great resources for each other to be successful. And then when you're deciding whether or not to get up and come to campus or to go back to sleep, you're more likely to come to class and be ready to be successful because you'll know that your group members don't want to see your chair empty. They're going to text you anyway and say, where are you? Why aren't you here? So you might as well come and participate in all the awesome things that we're doing that day. Now, outside of math class, there are other ways for you to be connected on campus too. So research shows that not only do you want to be obviously connected to your class, but you want to be connected to any other resources on campus that interest you. The more connections you make, the more successful you're going to be because you're going to feel like you're a part of a bigger community. So if you look under the Getting Started module, there's a link called How to Earn Your Bucket Points. So in this class, we have this imaginary bucket and we want to fill it with 10 activities so we can earn 100 points. After we earn 100 points, our bucket is full. When our bucket overflows, that's how you can earn extra credit in this class. So you do 1 activity a week for 10 points. Anything you do after that, you can earn extra credit each week after you've earned your first 10. So you can earn points by doing a student success workshop. Those are going to address certain study skills and certain ways for you to be a successful student in general at college. You can attend one of those math boost workshops I mentioned earlier, where it will help you refresh one specific math skill. You can meet with a tutor. Any tutoring session counts as an activity to fill up your bucket. You can attend a workshop at the Thunderbird Tech Studio so you can learn more about how to use your iPad. Here are some of the other ones, though, that necessarily might not have to do with your math class, but it's just a way for you to become more involved on campus. So you can use the MCC Student Life page to learn about clubs or other resources that could be helpful to you. So Mesa Market and We Care Wednesday, those might be 2 that you're really interested in. So the Mesa Market is amazing. You could either donate items to the Mesa Market or you can go there to utilize their services. Or you can join We Care Wednesdays where you can pick up free produce and free toiletry items. You literally just drive your car through and pick it up from donations, or you can help load the cars full of the donations. So those are 2 ways to really help. Let's go to one more place. You can decide maybe you want to join a club or an organization. So if you click on the Club Hub, you can see all the different clubs that are available and they'll advertise at this website. You can scroll through the list and any club that looks like it might be of interest to you, go ahead and click on it. And there you go. You can learn how to become a member of that club. So that's another way for you to get involved on campus. If you go to the Student Life events page, there's just more resources for you. So clubs and organizations, other resources and services. Maybe you want to join student government. Maybe you're interested in a leadership program. There's all these ways for you to get involved on campus. So it's a really nice way for you to interact and find something that you enjoy. So not only are you coming to campus for your classes and your academic needs, but you can come for social reasons too. And hey, you're here, you might as well make the most of your time while you're here. So I hope you use these resources to become involved and to make some connections on campus. And I can't wait to hear about all the fun things that you learn about and all the fun things that you become involved in. So that's it. Those are our top 5 tips for how to be successful in your math class. Log into Canvas every day. Come to class every day. Use the MCC Math Help resources. Make a schedule to budget your time most efficiently. And number 5, stay connected. I look forward to meeting you and seeing more of you during the weeks to come in class. Have a great day.